Hi, welcome to the My UPC Finder video tutorial, Kohl's Calculator Use and Functionality. Today we'll be covering how the Kohl's Calculator works and how you can use it to properly research products through their website. Let's get started. Alright, so the first thing I want to do is go over with you how the Kohl's Calculator works. Let's go over to Kohl's product real quick so I can bring this up. Okay, so right here at the top of the home view, only when you're on Kohl's website will you see this the uh, purple gradient price up here in the upper right hand portion of the home view. And what this is doing a couple different things. The first thing it's doing is it's grabbing the regular price that's listed for the product on the page. This may be the actual like regular retail price. It may also be the if the item's on and already on a discount from its regular price, it'll be that initial discounted price. So it'll be whatever the main price for that item is that's listed on the product page there. So that's the first thing it does, is it looks up that price. And the second thing it does is if you do have any of your Kohl's discounts saved in the options here, it will apply those discounts to that price to give you an estimated actual price that you would pay for that item. So that way you can figure out if there's enough margin built in with all the discounts to make that item profitable when reselling it. So right now I don't have any of the Kohl's discounts enabled on the in the options. So that's why it's showing $18 here as well as $18 on your screen here. So the next thing we're going to do is show you where to save those options. There's two places actually that you can save them. The first place I'll show you, I don't prefer just because the look and feel is a little basic, but it's in your options. Down here, if you scroll down through your options here, there's quite a few fields in here that are all Kohl's discount calculator settings. All these fields can be filled in if they do apply. But it's a little harder to read in here just because of the amount of space we have and how we can make this functional. So that's the first place. If you don't want to use it there, you can always use it on the home view as well. So once this pops up, if you hover over the Kohl's price there, you can see that it kind of grays out a little bit. This is actually a little bit of an interactive a way to notify you that it's interactive. So if you click on the price there, it's going to pop up the Kohl's discount calculator, and it's going to give you multiple, I'm calling them levels in here, or steps for the different levels of discount that you can apply to a Kohl's purchase. You can click through these levels either with the previous level button here or the next level button. It'll go back and forth through all the levels. There are 7 levels total right now for the Kohl's calculator. So we'll start on level 1 here, and we'll kind of move through each one of these and kind of give you the description. The nice thing is on each one of the discounts, there is a little question mark here. If you do hover over it, it pops up open a tooltip that kind of describes what that discount is and how it would be applied to your to the overall price. So the first one here is a department dollar discount, and this is when Kohl's has the discount offers where it's like $10 off every $40 in jeans. Or something like that, something that's specific to a specific department. That's when this one will apply, and you would just enter the dollar amount that it shows for initially. So if it's $10 off every 50, you put 10 here, off every 50 here, and that's how that discount is set for this one. The next one here is the department percent discount. And this one is similar to the department dollar discount, but it's a percentage off a specific department. So if you had, I don't know, 15% off socks, then you'd put that 15% in here. I'm just going to leave that one at 0 for now and just leave the $10 off every 50 up here. You can save at any time, or you can just step through each step before saving as well. So we'll go ahead and just click next level for now. The second level of discounts that apply are, there's 3 of them here. The first one is a Yes to You reward. This is Kohl's loyalty reward program. And it typically gives you about $5 credit for every $100 spent. Is essentially how that works. So we're just going to go ahead and enter that $5 for every 100 here. The next one is if you have any Kohl's cash available, or if you're depending on how you want to apply this. Typically, the way we apply this is we take what Kohl's cash we would get from this purchase and apply it to these discounts. It's a little bit easier way of maintaining that. Obviously, you don't use the Kohl's cash until later, until the next purchase, but if you're using all your Kohl's cash for your business, it really doesn't matter which way you apply Kohl's cash, whether it's to the current purchase or to a future purchase. So if they're running a deal, it's you get $10 Kohl's cash for every $50 spent. You would do $10 for every 50 here. The next one in this level is the store dollar off discount. So if Kohl's is running a coupon that's take $10 off every $100 spent, this is where this discount would get applied here. We're just going to leave that one blank for now. And then we'll go on to the next level, which level 3 is the store percent discount. This is a store-wide percent discount. So this is your typical like 30% off with your Kohl's charge, or 20% off store-wide. That sort of discount that would get applied here. So we'll put 30% in here for now. The next level is going to be your kind of like your online discounts. The first one is a Raise gift card discount, and this is if you go through the company called Raise, they offer discounted gift cards that you can order and have mailed to you. One of those gift card retailers is Kohl's. They do have Kohl's gift cards on there, and the percentage off varies depending on the promotions they're running. They can run anywhere between like usually about 1 and I think 10% off roughly. It could be a little bit off on that, but typically I think that's what they run. So if it's, say, I'm just going to put we'll put 5% in here for now. Now, keep in mind, with Raise, you do have to order those gift cards ahead of time, and they have to be mailed to you before you can use them. So just keep that in mind. There is also a sign-up link here that you can just click on, and it'll open up a new tab with directly to Raise to sign up for a free account. The next discount here is Rakuten. So it's a Rakuten to Raise gift card discount. So Rakuten does a lot of affiliate linking. So they've made a deal with Raise where if you log into your Rakuten account and then click on the Raise logo through Rakuten, you'll get a percentage off of the gift card purchase. So it's just another little discount you can kind of stack on top of the Raise gift card discount purchase. It gets a little bit complicated in there, but we'll go ahead and put like a 1% in there right now. And there is also a sign up link here for Rakuten to sign directly up with them as well if you don't already have a Rakuten account. Next level. Level 5 is a Rakuten store discount. So this is linking from Rakuten to Kohl's directly online. So this is more of an online arbitrage play here with this discount. And you would log in through Rakuten first. click on the Kohl's logo and get sent over to the Kohl's website. Again, in case you don't have a Rakuten account, there's a sign up link right here. And then the next level is level 6, which is a credit card cashback percentage. So if you're using a credit card to make your business purchases, in that credit card offers some sort of cashback percentage, that's where you would enter this in here. Usually it ranges between like 1% and 2%. I'll just put like 1.5% in there for now. And the very last level, which doesn't get used a ton but could get used, is the mail-in rebates. Kohl's does have a spot on their website where they list all of the manufacturer mail-in rebates that you can apply for. Now these have to obviously be mailed in, and you have to wait for a check to be sent to you. So these kind of get applied at the end afterwards in terms of the calculation. That's why they're level 7. So all of these discounts are levels 1 through 7 are built this way because that's the order that those discounts are applied. So that way it makes it pretty straightforward for you to figure out exactly what your what discounts are available and what order those apply in. Once you've filled in all your discounts here, you can go ahead and click Save. It's going to go ahead and rerun. And you can see now the updated price after we've entered all our discounts is $7.10. Now again, this is just an estimate. It may or may not be the exact amount that you would pay for that item if you were to go ahead and purchase it. Just because some of the discounts, like the $10 off every 40, assumes that you have to hit that $40 in order to get the $10 off, and you may not always hit that an even number like that to keep that percentage of that dollar amount accurate. So you might be off by a little bit here, but it gives you a pretty good idea in terms of what your buy cost is going to be. So that way you can get a good idea on if these socks are selling for $20 on Amazon and you can buy them for $7 here, and there's only $5 in fees from Amazon, then you're looking at about a $8 profit, which is a little over 100% on that, based on this estimated buy cost. So it just kind of gives you an idea on what you can purchase the items for, and if they have enough margin built into them to take the leap and purchase those items for resale. So that's everything there. Again, if you do need to, while you're navigating through Kohl's website, at any time, if you have to change a discount because one item you're looking at has a department dollar or percent discount, but another one doesn't, you can just go ahead and quickly click on that and change that out. So if that doesn't have anything there, I can just clear that department dollar discount out and click Save again. It's going to rerun and recalculate for you right on the spot. So that's that. If you do have any questions about the Kohl's calculator or anything else regarding the My UPC Finder extension, feel free to email us at 712interactive@gmail.com or visit our website at myupcfinder.com/support.html. Thanks.